And welcome, viewers, to our meteorology segment. We want you to be able to forecast the weather, and we'd like to congratulate you on realizing that the channel exists. Let's get to it. We're looking at jet streams first. The jet streams of the Western world. There you have them. We've got some interesting weather blowing into the U.S. It's going to be getting snowy before the month of December for much of the country. Here are the surface winds. We'll get to that in a minute. Here are the surface winds of the Western world. Let's rotate to the east. There is the eastern side of planet Earth. Those are, again, surface winds. Here are the jet streams, the 250 hectopascal winds from nullschool.net. We love the app. Next, weather.gov. And we've got a bunch of winter weather advisories happening here in the northwest of the country. We'll show you the snow forecast here. If your county is lit up, head to weather.gov and click on your county to find out what the alert is. We just don't have time to cover too much of that. If you've got custom weather forecasts you'd like us to do, let us know in the comments. We'll consider it. Next, your lightning mapper, and we've got no terrestrial lightning in the U.S. on the mapper. Here's your real-time lightning map at lightningmaps.org. Pretty calm as far as lightning goes at the moment. Did you know that we're on BitChute as well as YouTube? If you're on BitChute and you're only seeing our meteorology segments, make sure you go to YouTube and view the rest of the videos. If you're only viewing on YouTube, make sure you go to BitChute and look at our exclusive videos over there. You'll find ones not on the list on the YouTube videos. Again, about 90% of our content will be missed if you're only viewing on BitChute. And please support the channel because we make just this side of nothing to put the videos on YouTube. If you'd like the videos to continue to exist and be publicly visible and free for all to view and so on, support the channel, perhaps by becoming a member of the SMASH team. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's talk about our mission. Our mission is to assist, study, and report on the ongoing formation of a unified theory of physics, to raise the awareness of the general public of the relationship between space weather and Earth effects, to connect and consult with media organizations to multiply our reach. We're lucky if we're even able to add to our reach. We see as much subtraction from our reach as we do based on big tech censorship. 4, to demonstrate cutting-edge proof-of-concept solutions to problems. 5, to publish scientific papers in a multidisciplinary manner, including things like a paper about the solar sunspot cycles and solar polar field reversal cycles, and another one about how to forecast coronal mass ejections before they exit the solar corona. If you'd like to support that kind of stuff, support the channel via the links below the video. Number 6, to assist mankind by advancing the study of predictive phenomenon in order to optimize value, reduce risk and liability, save lives and resources, and adapt no matter what the adversity is. Even if the adversity is grifters on the internet lying to their viewers in order to cash in on their fear and lack of understanding of the science. 7, to not be ossified in our beliefs and to treat those who are with love, respect, and inclusion to the scientific discussion. Because sometimes it takes people a long time to catch up with the cutting-edge science. Don't worry, we'll wait. At the SMASH team, we're fairly patient, so please become a member of the SMASH team. It's not urgent, but pick up some merch. Click the links below the video and support the channel if you like the videos and prefer to see them continue to exist. Here's a tidbit of what goes on at the SMASH team. We put out a screenshot of how we were producing a video because we're running a little bit late today. So pardon me if we're speeding things up. There's the smAsho merch link. There's the link to the SMASH team as well as up here on the header. Don't forget to use the promo code YWAIT on your gift orders from our Redbubble shop. Again, you can find the link right at the homepage. That's the smAsho merch link. We'll take you right to here, almost right to here. We've sorted by best-selling. Thanks to everybody who's picked up merch. We greatly appreciate that. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Please tell your friends and foes about us as we implore each of you to recite the motto, Universum Liberate. Perhaps join the Galactic Special Forces by picking up a product like that. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Twitch.tv/smashamash is the website. And thanks for leaving a comment. Red Split Rail friends. Cheers. Next, Windy.com's pressure maps. And we've got a low pressure right over Iceland, as well as one over northern British Columbia there. A big low stretching all the way from Oregon all the way up to Anchorage. Low pressure dominating most of Australia and most of Africa as well. So quite a bit of low pressures here. Let's advance this into tomorrow. There is the pressure forecast for 13 Eastern Standard Time. 1300 Eastern Standard Time, 1 p.m. That's the European forecast for barometric pressure. Check out the snow forecast. Now, we're allowing this to go all the way up to 384 hours, which is way too much. But if you're looking at only about a 72-hour forecast, you're already seeing heavy snow showing up here. And if the rest of this forecast is right, check out what happens by November 25th. You're looking at 3 feet of snow around the South Dakota-Minnesota border. But that's a little bit too far ahead. So anyway, here's your 78-hour forecast. That's your 78-hour GFS snow forecast there. Quite a bit of snow expected to strike large portions of California's mountainous areas, large portions of Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, and Utah. That blue you see in North South Dakota and Minnesota, that's a little bit milder snow there. Very heavy snow here forecasted for north central Washington there, just in the next 72 hours. Next, a water vapor map. This is the Pacific Ocean. You're looking at the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite water vapor data. We like data. And this would give you very good insight into what's going on. If you were perhaps sailing in the middle of the Pacific, if you've got dry air overhead, you've probably got clear skies overhead as well. Next, your U.S. Doppler radar map. And we'll zoom into the lower 48. Lots of moisture in the western portion of the U.S., just moving into Salt Lake City as we speak. Here's a 3.9 nanometer radiation map. It's shortwave radiation, which shows you clouds and fog at nighttime. Low clouds continue over the eastern seaboard and the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the water vapor map for that same area. And before we close out the video, here's a recap. U.S. Doppler radar. If you've got a custom forecast you'd like us to do, let us know in the comments. Here's the cloud layer. And there's the water vapor. Thanks again for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. Tell your friends and foes about us. Support the channel via the links. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted. Name it news.